very warm welcome to the 9th edition of Colloquium.
We now welcome the first team, Safe Stride, on stage.
Approximately 4.95 million people in India are blind and over 70 million suffer from some sort of visual impairment.
To address their needs, we built a complete mobility ecosystem designed to guide, inform, and support visually impaired users.
Is it possible to protect people at risk of heart attacks by predicting them before they even happen?
78.4% of heart attack patients show arrhythmias up to 48 hours before their heart attack. Our device is a useful and potentially life-saving purchase that can give them time to take relevant action.
More than 3,000 people in India die due to human-wildlife conflict. What if there was a way communities could be alerted before the conflict occurs and animals could be deterred away without actually causing any harm? WildLink is a computer vision-driven system that detects wildlife presence and uses non-intrusive cues to reduce risk for both humans and wildlife. Elevate is a single integrated module with the wheelchair attached to its rear. It includes a track mechanism which is responsible for gripping to the stair edges. This provides a controlled and safe stair climbing. The consequences of food adulteration do not just end at a mild stomachache. They can be as fatal as kidney liver diseases, deathly allergic reactions, food poisoning, and foodborne diseases. Presenting SpectraSafe, our solution to combating food adulteration.
An AI-powered device which uses NIR spectroscopy and a computer vision system to detect food adulteration instantly.
Meet Cyan, the algae lamp. This lamp is not just a machine, it's living technology. Inside this lamp lives algae, which is a diverse group of aquatic photosynthetic organisms that can create their own food by using sunlight.
We present to you Vasuki. Designing robotic swarms as critical disaster responders.
Every survivor deserves a chance, and our snake robot ensures rescues can reach the survivors no matter where they're trapped.
First of all, huge congratulations to the Shivnada School, as well as the students who came up here and presented some absolutely wonderful ideas.
What you guys have done, even most of the engineering students can't do. That's a big round of applause for all of you.
I'm in the finance space, I'm in software, so I thought I was pretty good in absorbing ideas, but what I saw today was, I'm feeling at a loss of words to describe that. It's like I just overpassed my capacity of learning things.
The winning team will earn an all-expenses-paid trip to CERN, Switzerland, home to the world's largest particle physics laboratory.
So the runner-up for Colloquium 2025 is Safe Stride.
And for the final moment that we've been waiting for, the winner of Colloquium 2025 is Vasuki.